Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. We've got a great guitar tutorial and cover for you today. The song is called The Dance. It was written by Tony Arata and of course made famous by Garth Brooks. Released as the fourth track to Garth Brooks' debut album in April of 1990. The song peaked at number 1 on the Billboard Hot Country Song chart and remained there for 3 consecutive weeks. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, this is a beautiful melody and it's very easy to play. 4 chords in all is all it takes to get through this entire song. Let's have a look at these chords now. First one is a G major. I use a C add 9. Now if you prefer, you can also use the C chord. Either works, whatever you're most comfortable playing. I use the C add 9 for this particular song. There's a D chord, and then there's a B minor bar chord. Let's have a look again. G major, a C add 9, or a C chord. There's a D, and then 1 bar chord, it's a B minor bar chord. And that's it, those 4 chords through the entire song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at a little bit of strumming in the chord progression to this number 1 hit. Okay, the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Now for the chord progression, follow along here on the charts that I put up. There's not a lot of quick changes to the chords, so it's going to be very easy for you to follow along. Let's have a closer look now at the strumming. Here we go. It's going to start on the G major chord. Nice and easy. Don't have to hit the strings really hard. Looking back on the memory of the dance we shared beneath the stars above. For a moment, all the world seemed right. How was I to know that you'd ever say goodbye? And now, I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives were better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance. Beautiful. It's a great song. I love playing it. That's it. Those 4 chords, that strumming technique, very light strum, as I've mentioned. Okay, so now we're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times. Be ready to join me. Looking back on the memory of the dance we shared beneath the stars above. For a moment, all the world seemed right. How could I have known that you'd ever say goodbye? And now, glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives are better left to chance. chance, I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the pain. Yes, my life is better left to chase. Could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the pain. And there you have it, The Dance, written by Tony Arata and made famous by the one and only Garth Brooks. I believe this song is considered Garth Brooks' signature song. Thank you for tuning in to My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Haas. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.